Hello, my dear students. Are you all happy at home? Okay, hope you all are very happy at home. In the previous class, we completed the lesson, The Champ. Am I right? Yes. So today, we will discuss the activities based on the lesson, The Champ. Are you ready? Okay, so all of you take page number 144. Look, activity 1. All of you read it. Here is the last part of the story. Oh, please forgive us, Radha. We eat our words, but I love to learn your style, your very own style, Radha, said Ranjit and held out his hand to her. Ranjit felt sorry for what they had done to Radha. What would his thoughts be? Write the thoughts of Ranjit. Here, Ranjit felt sorry to Radha. So imagine and write down the thoughts of Ranjit. It's a homework for you. Now all of you take page number 145. Look activity 3 and read it. Read the dialogues given in the table below. Who's the speaker? Who is it addressed to? What characteristics of the speaker are expressed here? Pick out the relevant words from the bracket and complete the table. Now all of you read the words given in brackets. Appreciating, mocking, encouraging, caring, concerned, and innocence. Students, here you can see a table. It is divided into 4 columns. First column, speaker. Second column, addressee. Third column, dialogue. And fourth column, characteristic of the speaker. The dialogues are already given here. So you have to identify the speaker, addressee and the characteristic of the speaker. First one is given for you. Read the dialogue given there. No, I don't know any of these. I just swim. Who is the speaker? Yes, Radha is the speaker. Then who is the addressee? Yes, Ranjit is the addressee. Then the characteristic of the speaker is innocence. This dialogue shows the innocence of the speaker. Likewise, all of you do the rest of it. Students, now all of you take page number 146. Activity 4. Read the question given there. In the story, The Champ, we have seen Radha, the brave girl. Imagine Radha got an award for bravery from the President of India. Prepare a newspaper report about it. What will the headline be? Where will you write the place and date? How will you report the event? Students, do you know how to prepare a newspaper report? Have you ever prepared a newspaper report? I'll give you an example for a newspaper report. All of you go through it. Students, this is a newspaper report. Do you know the features of a newspaper report? Okay, let's go through that. Features of a newspaper report. First one, headline. Headline catches attention and sums up the story. Secondly, byline. Writer's name is included in byline. Third one, place line, where the story begins or happens. Fourth one, lead. It includes the opening section, gives the most important information, and should answer most of the 5 W's. What, who, when, where, and how. Fifth one, body of the text. It includes supplies details, important details first, simple true statements. Then the sixth one, quotations. It includes what someone actually said. So these are the features of a newspaper report. With the help of this, you have to write a newspaper report. Students, now take page number 147. Activity 5. Read the question. Read the description taken from the story. On Saturday, Radha and her cousins started early in the morning and by noon they were at a beautiful secluded spot on the banks of the Yamuna. This place was at the foothills of Shivalik and the blue water of the river was crystal clear. The weather was pleasant and a cool breeze was blowing. Here is a description about the banks of the Yamuna. Did you read it? Now look at the picture given below. Students, can you see the picture? Yes. Have you seen any such beautiful place in your village or anywhere else? Describe this picture. Students, a beautiful picture is given here, so you have to describe this picture. You can improve your writing by including sensory-rich words, describing words, and words denoting time as given below. So, when you are writing a description, you can include sensory-rich words, describing words, and words denoting time. Now, let's know about that. First one, sensory-rich words. Words indicating sounds. Example, rattling, buzzing, rustling. Words indicating touch or feeling. Example, spongy, soft, warmth, and smooth. Then words indicating visuals or sights. Example, blue, sky, green fields, the moon. Next point, words indicating smell. Example, fragrance or perfume. Words indicating taste. Example, sweet, bitter, and sour. 2. Describing words. Describing words are adjectives. You know that. Example, beautiful, marvelous, ugly, and interesting. Then, third one, words denoting time. That is early, noon, morning, night, etc. Students, now it will be easy for you to write a description. So all of you write it yourself. All of you look activity 6. Read the question. Hey, let's go into the water. It's cool and inviting. In this sentence, let's us use to make a suggestion to a group that includes the speaker. Go through this conversation. All of you read it. Teacher, let's play an interesting game today, shall we? Students, yes sir, we like games. Teacher, well, then get ready. Let's start now. Students, okay sir, we are ready. Here, the teacher suggested to play an interesting game. Now rewrite the sentences using let's. That's done for you. Students, here you are asked to rewrite the sentences that is given here using let's. One is given for you. The function will be held next week. We should prepare a notice. So how will you rewrite it? Yes, the function will be held next week. Let's prepare a notice. Did you understand the difference? Yes, here the sentence, we should prepare a notice is converted into let's prepare a notice. Likewise, you have to write the rest of it. B. It is Priya's birthday tomorrow. Shall we invite our friends? Students, how will you write it? Tell me. Yes, some of you are telling the right answer. It is Priya's birthday tomorrow. Let's invite our friends. C. Uncle said we can go for a picnic. Here, the sentence we can go for a picnic is converted into let's go for a picnic. So the sentence is Uncle said let's go for a picnic. So next 2 is a homework for you. Write it yourself. Students, the video will be continued in the next part.